I'm real excited today. I got something in the mail. I don't get packages that often, so I want to share it with you. Let's see what can this be. I think I know what it is. I'm looking for a microphone for my Nikon, or my wife's Nikon actually, that we've been underutilizing. Let me get my Leatherman's tool here. This is the rest of my birthday present. Okay, put that up before I hurt myself. Actually, looks like there's more than just one thing. First thing that's in here is an aux cord. That I have. That's going to help me. It's going to help me be able to connect my phone, my Samsung, to the jam box that I have, and I can listen to music from my YouTube Red, which I'm real excited about. That's excellent, excellent. I have to get that. Okay. I'm surprised that they had all three of these things at once. What I was most excited about: Takstar recording microphone for the Nikon and Canon cameras. It's the IXCC 598 camera microphone. It's high sensitivity condenser microphone, especially designed for camera. Cardo directivity characteristic can effectively reduce ambient noise. Optional 10 dB sensitivity tone up to 200 Hertz. Bass filter. Meet the demand of different applications. Standard connector size for each connection camera. Shockproof design can reduce the mechanical noise of cameras and other vibration noise. Rugged aluminum housing features effective EMI resistance, powered by 1.5 volt AA alkaline battery. Playtime is up to 100 hours, and a low power indicator, so it lets you know how it's going. Neat. Let's open that up and see what it looks like. Oops, it was upside down. Should have known that. Okay, inside the box we have a carrying case that is real soft, velvet type case. Have directions and looks like register on warranty information and so forth, and of course the actual microphone. Excellent. It's small. It has the controls over here. The battery case is over here, and it comes apart easily. And it's going to need the AA battery. Okay. And then the mic wand, straight shot. There, directional mic with several slots for the side sounds that come through. Okay. Nothing here. Here's the slip cover. It's foam. Goes on. This will reduce the ambient noise. This is one thing that you can change out later and put a hair type mic cover on there and get rid of more ambient noise if you need to. That's about as on as that's going to get. And we have various clips and things that go with this. Alright, I believe that's all that's in the mic case. Good. I'll get this put together and we'll test it out with my Nikon camera in just a little bit and see how it picks up sound or takes away sound. The microphone went on really easily, and you tighten down the wheel there, and then you just plug it into the camera where the camera jack is, and then it's ready to use. Make sure every time that you don't use it that you turn it off, and if the green light's on, that means you've got good battery. And it's soap. I swear by this stuff. You can't always get everything, get soap washed off like I need to. So I'm sure to get something that foams, which I like. This came in a plastic bag because something is leaking just a little bit here. Amazon is good for their packaging. And that's Convatec Aloe-Vesta Bathe and Cleanse soap. I got 2 bottles of it. It's cheaper from Amazon than I can get in the supply store here, so that's good. Okay, I'm going to look for a battery and put it in and then test out the camera. Okay, now I've got everything put together. We can see it in use and see how the directionality is and how clear the microphone is, and see if it picks up the refrigerator or my son coughing in the next room, and see what you think about it. It is a drab, dreary day outside here, so at this time, so it's going off of the fluorescent lights here in the kitchen that we have. So there's my setup, looking back and forth at each other. It's pointed at me, and now the other camera is pointed back at you. Alright, so what do you think? What do you think about the differences in the two camera sounds and everything? The other one should be really good. This little Canon power shot that I have has been real good for me, but I'm looking forward to doing some interviews in the future and doing my sit-down work and reading work with this new setup that I've got going here. Good deal. Well, it's been good to see you and to talk to you, and I'm going to cut the vlog off here and wish you a good and happy Friday. Have a great weekend, and remember to love each other and be kind to each other. Especially think about that as the holidays come along. Take care. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.